Good morning, everybody. Those who are not unmuting, please unmute. Okay. Let me see who is this. Moyuk Shamanto. So here Ishan Hajrat, Jishnu Gupta, Moyuk Shamanto, Ronak Khetri, Shampurna Chakraborty. Ba Shampurna, you are in the call. Very nice. And Shankalan Chaudhuri. Okay, beta. Last day, I have already taught you the silly sister. Okay. Silly sister. My silly sister. That you know that here, silly sister means brother is telling about the silly sister. What he is telling? That her sister is very childish. He is telling to his mother that her sister is very, very childish. She could not understand anything. And whenever they are playing with pebbles, that she is thinking that is eatable thing. Not only like this, that whenever her brother is opening the book and is telling ABC, she is tearing the page. She is spoiling the study. And after that, when she is telling that, her brother is telling that when he is very angry. But besides that also, she could not understand anything. Sometimes he is in playing and telling that, Shampurna, you cannot see me. But please, once you will leave, again you will join. Okay, I think now you can see me. And what happened? What? Why? That is, you cannot see me, but everybody has. Ishan is having any problem? Ishan, Shankalan, any problem? Please, Shankalan, write to me. Oh. I have already changed, beta. Grid view is going on. No, I have already changed the grid view. My board is coming. I can see my camera. You are not seeing me, Shankalan? Okay. Then board also, whenever I am just writing, you will write. Ishan is also typing. Ishan, what did you see to me? Please tell me. I can listen to you now today. Okay, Ishan is telling no problem. Jishnu Gupta is telling no problem. Okay. Now, so please listen to me. Okay. So, because she is very childish. Okay. And one thing that here, that when her brother is telling that father is coming, father, actually he is in playful mood. Means he is playing, enjoying. But her sister could not understand. That's why I have already told this story. I think you have read also. I told only read the story. So sometimes his sister could not understand the difference between the lights, street lights or big stars. Okay, so it is like this. And here, silly sister, so some words are there. So I am just writing here. If you understand, if you can, no need to tell me. If you don't understand, if you don't know any meaning, please tell me, okay? Please write. Rajana, now you can see. Can you see the board or not? Please. You are seeing that, but I am not seeing that. It is a grid view. No problem, beta. Can you write from the board? Please write. Please look at this and people. Ishan is typing. Ishan, what you please tell me if any problem? You can see the board, no problem. Then Rajana, you are having some problem. Okay. You change your grid view. People means stone. And next, people means stones. Here, anger. Anger meaning you know in Bengali, but another meaning another vocabulary I am giving. You should know the new word. Okay, anger. New word, rage. So here, rage. Next, another meaning, excitement. Dirty means you know, not clean. Unclean also you can write. Not clean. Then, after that, excitement, EXCITEMENT. Excitement means the feeling of enthusiasm, some energetic feeling. Energetic feeling. Energetic feeling. Enthusiasm, another meaning you can write, energetic feeling. Feeling of energy, so much energy. Okay. So anything that playful. Yes. Okay. Again I will write. ENERGETIC. Energetic feeling. Yes. Now, playful. Mood of playing. Mood of or fond of playing. Bas. This much. Meaning. If after that any meaning, if you don't know, please tell me. Okay? Please tell me. So here, childish means no, like the child. Then I will go to the question answer. Okay. So here, what does the baby do with the pebbles? What does the baby do with the pebbles? Rajana, I will tell your problems to the school. Okay, beta? Okay. What does the baby do with the pebbles? First answer I am writing. I think you have already written the first two meaning. So first question I am writing, that number 1, what does the baby do What does the baby do with the pebbles? With the pebbles. Answer is that the baby tries to put the pebbles in her mouth. in her mouth, comma, thinking as real food. Thinking as real food. The baby tries to put the pebbles in her mouth, thinking as real food. Okay. So number 2, what does the baby do with the book? Number 2, question number 2, what does the baby do with the book? Number 2, what does the baby do with the book? Here, first question I am just rubbing. First question, not answer. Okay, then answer number 2. This is answer number 1, this is answer number 2. The baby, what did she do? The baby tears the pages and laughing with joy and roars with joy. The baby tears the pages of book and roars. Who is in this? Moyuk Shamanto. So, the baby tears the pages of book and roars with joy. Roars with joy. With joy. When does the baby laugh? Question number 3. Question number 3 is there. When does the baby laugh? Answer is there. When his brother, her brother is angry and scolds, S-C-O-L-D-S, scolds her, comma, she laughs. Yes, beta. Yes, beta. Obviously, I'll give. Again, I am telling, when her brother is angry and scolds her, she laughs. Okay. I'll obviously give this class in this YouTube. No problem, beta. The question number 4, next day I will write, why does the washerman bring donkeys? That also I will tell. Okay. Question number 2, answer I have told. Question number 2, the baby tears the pages of book and roars with joy. Roars means I told shout. Okay, shouts. Okay, beta. Then thank you. I think next class also you are having 11:30. If you are having any problem, please write to me and I will give this class in the YouTube. Bye beta. Yes, 9 people. Okay, just I will take the roll call once. ঈশান হাজরা, জিষ্ণু গুপ্ত, নৌরিন জামান, ঐন্দ্রিলা চ্যাটার্জি, রশিকা সোরেন, রৌনক খেত্রী, সম্পূর্ণা চক্রবর্তী, সংকলন চৌধুরী. Rajanna was there. Okay beta. If you are having any problem, I will give to this YouTube. Okay, bye beta. Okay.